Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can place a trade on the Arbitrager platform. And it's very simple, very straightforward. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the next thing you're going to do is to log in. So how do you do that? You go through dApps or through this browser right here. So you click on browser, and for me, I'm going to use this login history, because once you have created your account, you're going to have this, or you can just place the same link here into the browser here, then you can search to take you right in. But I always advise that you use the history. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that right now. I'm going to click here, and then it brings me to my wallet. Okay, before I left this wallet, I actually disconnected, if you saw in my last video where I showed you how you can activate and make a deposit. So the first thing I'm going to do, because I disconnected my wallet, is to click on connect wallet on the top here. So quickly, let me click on connect wallet. So wallet is connected successfully, and you're going to see my balance display. So what we want to do right now is to place a trade, but I'll show you a few things here before we place a trade. The first thing you have to take note of here is your referral link. Now this is your referral link. By the time you click right here, you will copy your referral link, and you can use it to refer people and make up to 10% of their deposit. So for every referral that makes a deposit, you get 10% of their deposit amount. So that being said, let me show you other things. I want to say a very big thank you to my upline for drawing my attention to this, because I know most people won't take note of this. They will just come on the platform, I want to place a trade to make money. All right, so look at this notice right here. Place one trade at a time to avoid losing funds. All right, so my upline actually had this ugly experience where he got referral bonuses and he quickly wanted to trade with it, not taking note of this, and he learned by experience, and we are going to learn from his experience, not repeating it. Okay, once you get those referral bonuses, don't get tempted to run into a trade with it when you have a running trade. Please wait for the running trade to get completed before you place another trade. At that time, you can use both your balance, your available balance, and your referral bonus together to enter into another trade. And the minimum you need here to trade is $10. So when you're funding your wallet, you have to fund a bit extra. Like when you want to fund $10, please make sure you have like $12. So by the time the network fees and everything is taken, you have up to $10, right? So you can trade, because that's the minimum you need to trade here. So you can actually start with $10, refer people to grow your capital so you can have more money to trade. All right, so let me quickly show us how we can place a trade, having seen the referral bonus and of course the caution here, so we do not lose money. We're actually here to make money. All right, so quickly we're going to scroll down, and then you see the trade button here. You see the trade button here, right? Okay, so you can see the ROI right here. You can make 3% to 12% per trade, so depending on what the bot can get for you. All right, so you may be lucky to get profits above $3. You can get up to 12% and all that. So you can make that much from this platform. So to place a trade quickly, you just have to come here and tap and enter the amount that you want to trade with. Yes, the trade button is right here. But before you click on the trade button, you have to enter the amount you want to trade with. Now I have $99.86. So I'm going to be using $99. So I leave something behind a bit because of network fees and all that. So let me just quickly enter 99. So you're going to enter it right here. Okay, so just enter right here. So I want to trade with $99. When you do this, the next thing is to hit trade. It asks you this question: confirm to submit. Are you sure you want to do this? You click on yes. All right, and then you scroll up to see. Okay, you can see now that my money is on pending, which means my money has been moved into where I can trade. So the bot is going to scan through the market, over 60 exchanges, to find the best trade for me. So I'm going to come back here to check my trades and to check my profit. And by the time the trade is completed, the fund is going to move into my available balance with my profit. So guys, that is how simple it is to place a trade on this platform. You make between 3% to 12% per trade, depending on the conditions of the market that the bot takes for you. So guys, this is very awesome. So if you haven't registered for this, my referral link is in the description of this video. You can just go click on it so you can get registered. My WhatsApp contact is right there. You can hit me on WhatsApp if you are confused about how to go about this. I have a video on how you can sign up. If you haven't signed up, the link is in the description of this video and my referral link is right there. But if you're watching this video and it is given to you by a sponsor, please do not use my link to register. Use the link of your sponsor to register. This video is just to guide you on how you can place a trade if you have already registered. But if you are watching this video first, before my first video, use my link to register and watch my first video so you can be guided on how to register. Okay, so guys, that's it about this video. Okay, so that's how you place a trade and then you make money from the trade and also from referral bonuses. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.